felt the need to share this message because I had how you say, and I get it, like where a light bulb lights up. The things that we go through, whether it's good or bad, everything is for a reason. I was wondering why things was going the way it was going for me, and though it was a little bit stressful, I started to think about why. Why am I here? Why am I at this location? And then I had an aha moment where I was like, God is putting me in places to align energetically with the things that I want. How can I energetically meet the things that I want if I am not in the position of the things that I want? So sometimes things have to fall down for other things to come up. And I understand that now, you know? I've had a couple of situations where I felt like things was working, and then all of a sudden it didn't fall through. And I understand that when things don't fall through, that means there's something else that's better. There's something else that God has for you that's better. And it's about trusting God and trusting his path and what he has for you, because like he said, he knows the path he has for you. I don't know what scripture that is. I'm still, getting in tune with it. But God knows the path he has for us. The plans he has for us, actually. I just read it. God knows the plans he has for us. And now when things happen, I'm just like, I know you got me, God. I know. Because there's things that I want, and I can't keep staying in the same position if I want better. So for anyone out there who's struggling to understand why things are happening, sometimes things are happening to push us to go towards the things that we really want. Like if you had a job that you don't love, it's stressful, you hate it, there's something within you that you want to do that you're afraid to do. So you stay around a certain situation dealing with it. But in life, you really don't have to deal with it. When it's time to go, it's time to go. And like my other videos, you have to do the things that you're scared of. And I've done a lot of things that I'm scared of. And once I do it, I just realize, like, it wasn't that bad. And sometimes you have to endure a lot. Sometimes you have to go through the stress, go through the storm, to the other side to where it's more calmer. But if you don't go through the storm and you just in the other side, just waiting for the storm to pass, how will you ever get there?